Epi baru kini kilongki kubor bam takasi. Umentri rangba kamikhalaya konrad kisang ma ula pentip ba kajingilang kabinet kalarai ban map lane pendamno eka rambat ka kuna ka belakenrei hapo ka transport department ka bakot ka praspa sampok lur tingka. Ula ong bana kani ka pisa ka benta ka bakambun ka ka kuna ka belalang ha kisnem balalet khamtam halor ka jingbam pentemai ya ki fitness certificate jongki kali kat kum u CM bun kinong don kali kim shemlatip baka kuna kanang kiuman na kasngi. Lada omdon fitness certificate ulo ong baka ni kalabu ya kinong penyat kali bar kinong ya trailang hakakam transport hakajing pisa ka bakraw. Usang mau la pensyai baka ni kamde ka pisa ka beriban siu kum ka khajna ka blashim na ka sorkar hendrei kadi ka kuna ka balalang. Hagarukam automatic kat kum ki kendon an ulo ong baka sorkar kalarai ban pelat ya kane ka jingkit kli khnang bagi nong tray hakakam transport kin omsha ban ben hakajingkhia pisa. Umentri rangba ulo ong ru banaduk mentah syakmat baru kinong don kali ki dei ban bot renti ya ki kendon ban penthamai ya ki fitness certificate bat ban siu ki khajna ya dei but the goods but passenger tax.
850 crores is what we will be writing off, and we should expect about 120 to 150 crores coming in. But please remember that these numbers look like as if it's an amount that they have to pay. But please remember that this is majority, 900 crores of this is actually a penalty which is put every day for not having a fitness certificate. So suppose a person did not even know that he or she had to bring this fitness certificate. This number is accumulating every day. So 50 rupees, and suddenly after 1 month it's about 18,000. Then after suddenly about 2 months it's about 36,000. So the person doesn't even know that this number is accumulating. So this accumulated number is what I'm talking about. So suppose you owned a truck for 15 years and you didn't get a fitness certificate, you'd be, the dues that you have to pay in terms of penalty would be in lakhs. So this is not like an amount that they have to pay to us, but it's an amount that is a penalty which has been piling on because of the rules and the laws that have been passed by Government of India, and this amount has been fixed by them, so it is automatically generated. But we have decided, as I said, to waive this off, because now if we go into details of all of this aspect, we would be really putting a lot of financial stress on our transporters, which would then impact them and maybe lead to closing down of many of the transporters at the same time. Loss of many livelihoods.
But why the officers did not collect, knowing well?
So it was both ways. So it was, yes, we have issues with manpower also. And this was again an issue that both governments, had been working on this. And this is an issue that is being faced, in fact, in a lot of states. And as I said, the numbers have been collected for the last 20 years now. So suddenly, suppose the rules came in and then you say now, those who don't have fitness certificate for the last 20 years, you have to pay this kind of a notional tax. So this is kind of almost like a transition phase where the new law is being implemented in a very aggressive manner. And this has, of course, now suddenly burst into a large number. And again, as I'm mentioning, it is not that this amount is due to us. It is more of a penalty, which is a notional number, which is collecting for the last 20 years for many cases. And in some cases, as I said, most people were not aware also that fitness certificate was required. So these are kind of challenges that are there. And of course, if we go into all of this, then, we'll keep looking at all the different reasons. We are here to find a solution and find a way forward. And we realize that the best way to do it is to get rid of this notional figure to some extent, and ensure that from now on, there will not be any more, everybody's going to stick to the rules and ensure that the fitness certificate as well as the MV tax and the goods and passengers tax is paid.
So will the OTS be extended to non-commercial?
This is only for commercial.
Yeah, personal. All type of commercial.